Hello and welcome to another of Mrs. Tatnall's phonics videos. This is for my group 2. So we are doing phase 3 phonics. So we're looking at lots of digraphs and even a trigraph that we had last week as well. So we do have a new sound of the day today. It is this one here. So we know these as separate sounds, n and g, but when they're together, sitting next to each other in a word, okay, they're no longer n and g when they're next to each other. They become ng, ng, ng. Okay, it's a kind of strange sound. There is the g sound there, but not too strongly on the end. It's more ng, ng, ng. If you imagine yourself saying the word strong, think of that sound on the end of strong. Or if you were saying pong, think of that sound on the end of pong. So if you're struggling to quite get it right, think of the word pong. And think of that sound on the end, okay? Right, we'll come back to the sound of the day briefly in a moment. Let's go through some flashcards of our sounds we've learned over the last few weeks. I'll do a few phase 2s at first, just so we don't forget them, and then I will go on to our phase 3 ones. So we have got oh, g, ah, ah, b. Right, I'm going to go on to some phase 3s now. What's this one that goes down, up? Long face, point it and go ooh, ooh, ooh. And this one. Z, z, z. Digraph here, when these two are together as friends, we say ch, ch, ch. This one. E with our donkey ears. Oh, it's a trigraph. 3 letters. When they are together, what sound do they make? I, Captain, I. A. Sh. Z, z, z. Qu, qu, qu. Y, y. X. J, 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 j. Poke your tongue out at me and say, let's do the one that sounds like a breeze. And then bring your tongue just in a little bit, but still between your teeth, and say, Sounds a bit like a phone going off when you've just got the noise on, but not the ringtone. And this one is, get your vans out and say, So it sounds a lot like but our tongue's out for that. This one, your tongue is away, your teeth are out on your bottom lip, and you're saying Right, okay, they are the sounds we already know. Let's nip back to our sound of the day. I always find I feel almost like I'm pinching my nose together a bit, not with my fingers, but with my actual nose itself, and bringing in the top part of my nose a bit in order to make that sound. My mouth is open. So you can hear the g, but ever so slightly on the end. Strong. So that is our new sound of the day. So when these two are together as friends, they make the sound, okay? If they're on their own, the usual and g, but when they are together, so you've got to keep your eyes peeled and look out for that digraph now when you're reading it, because if they are sat next to each other, it's not g, it's okay? So I'm going to show you how that looks in a few words, so you can help read them as well once I've written them. Let's go with writing it in this word. So the digraph of the day will appear in this word. I have got this sound followed by this sound, and then my digraph of the day. So have a look at that word. Okay, single sound, and then digraph of the day. So I have got s, I, ng, sing, 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 la la la, sing. There is one of our words using the sound of the day. Okay, what about this one? Let's have a go with this word. I'll show it to you in a moment. Single sound digraph of the day. So I have got r, I, ng, r, I, ng, ring, ring. There might be a ring on your finger, or you're ringing someone on your telephone. Ring. And another one with the ng sound in. Oh, let's look at this one. This is good because I'm not doing my best writing. Hold on, I'll flash it to you in a moment. I've got to fit this all on, so I can't write too big because, oh, I'm not happy with that. They keep doing a that I don't like the look of. So up, down, up to the top, around and tickle the belly. Oh, I'm just going to get it in, but it's a squash on the end. Okay, here it is. Look at that. There's a lot going on there, isn't there? So I have got p, ing, p-ing, ping, p-o-ng, p-ong, pong, ping, pong. And you can hear ng, ng on the end of both of those. Ping, pong. And you can feel yourself squeezing your nose in. Ng. So that's ping pong. Oh, I must tell you the action for the ng sound of the day. You have got to pretend that you are a strong, and there's the ng sound on the end, strong man or woman, actually. Why the heck not? So you've got to have your weights in your hands, okay? And you are lifting your weights. And while you're lifting them, because you are strong with the sound of the day, then you've got to lift them up and lift those weights and make the sound of the day. As you lift the weights, strong. There we go. So that's your action, lifting those weights when you next see the sound of the day. Right, okay. So I think that as I've shown you how to write the sound of the day in sing and ring and ping pong, then I think you can have a go at writing a sentence for me. It has a tricky word in it as well, but you know how to do that. I want you to write the sentence, I can sing a song. So there's only 5 words in this sentence. I can sing a song. And I promise you that the sound of the day is going to pop up in 2 of those words. I can sing a song. Okay, say it to yourself. I can sing a song. And pause the video, have a go at writing it because I want you to show it to me in a moment. Okay, so hopefully you paused the video and had a good old go at writing I can sing a song. Let's do it together now. So, tricky word, I, so a nice capital one, I. Then I need a finger space, okay, because I'm going to write another new word next to it. So I can't do it right next to it, I have to have a finger space in between. And I'm dealing with the word can. Oh, this should be easy. 3 sounds I can hear, can, k, a, n. So finger space, k, a, n. I can. My next word is sing, 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 s, I, ng, sound of the day. S, I, ng. Now I don't know if I can fit all of those letters in there, so I'm going to come to the next line underneath, back on this side. So I can sing, so I can hear s, I, and then sound of the day. There it is. I can, sing a, or you might be saying a to help you remember what I mean. I can sing a song. Song. O. Ng. S. O. Ng. And then I'm going to punctuate it with a full stop. There we are. I can sing a song. And we got the sound of the day on the end of sing and the sound of the day on the end of song. There it is, our ng sound. Well done if you managed to write that sentence beautifully. Before we go, it's a little quick session today because I know it's coming up to half term and we're probably feeling a little bit fed up of sitting in front of this camera quite a bit, so I've kept it quite short. So can you just have a go at doing the qu sound on your boards? Qu, qu, qu. What two letters make the qu sound? If you are struggling to remember, because digraphs are trickier, then I will give you a choice for the qu sound. Okay, so is the qu sound this one or this one, the qu sound? It is this one, isn't it? So you need the letter Q followed by the letter U for the qu sound. So for the letter Q, we are going to whoosh around like a curly cur, come back round like a curly cur, meet up the side, go down low and tick like that on the end. And then we need to have the letter U or with it. And then together they make the qu sound. Okay, last one to visit. Can we have a go at doing, what have I put down? The ch sound, ch, ch, ch. Check for chicken. See if you can remember what that flashcard looks like. What two letters make the digraph ch? If you are struggling, then hang on, I'll give you a choice. If you're not, go ahead and write it on your board. So the ch sound. Let's have a look. Could it be this one or could it be this one? Which is the ch sound? Ch, ch, ch for chicken. I've been a bit tricky here because they both have a at the end of them. So it's not this one is sh. It is this one for the ch sound. So on your boards you need a curly k followed by a much taller h, and together they make the ch sound. Right, okay. Oh, one more other thing I want to do before you go. I said it was a quick lesson and now I keep throwing things in. Let's have a quick look at our tricky words so we're not forgetting them. Don't forget though, they are most of them in your book bags and you can certainly, the ones that we've been learning since, add them to your book bag by writing on a piece of paper or card. So this one we learnt this week, helping you, tricking you with an I sound. I, my. This one, was, blends like was, but it's not was, it's was, was. This one, helping you, tricking you, no, no. Helping you, tricking you, go. This one, I, helping you, tricking you. When we see the S sound in our phase 3 tricky words, it's often making an E sound. So he, she, me. All these tricky S. B, ooh, we. And a phase 2 one. Two. And this one, poke your tongue out for this sound and say the. Right, fabulous. Okay, that is everything for today and I'll see you again tomorrow where you have another new digraph. Take care. Bye-bye.